Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we'll be diving into the world of portrait retouching, focusing spatially on enhancing the brightness and appearance of teeth in using Photoshop. Whether you are a photographer looking to improve your portraits or just someone interested in digital art, this tutorial is for you. Now let's jump right in. First thing first, open your portrait image in Photoshop and you can use or you can open by the File tab and use the Open, and from there choose the image you want to work with. So uh, hit the Open. So here we have the images and I want to show you how to remove this yellow colors from the teeth. And this is the easiest step, and I'm gonna show you how to make sure we have already done the basic retouching, like the skin smoothing or color before removing the teeth retouching. So zoom in on the subject teeth to get a closer look, and you can now see this will help you to see the details clearly and make more precise adjustment. So okay, before we start our brushing up our teeth, so let's make the background layer as the duplicate. So click over on the background layer and use the duplicate layer, and it can give you the duplicate layer by using the OK. Or you can just do by Control plus J for duplicating layer. So here we have now the duplicate layer. Okay, now select the duplicate one, and I want to work with this one. And then first step is I'll select this one and I'll make it the hue and saturation. Click over here and now you can see we have another hue and saturations. Now you can easily use this one and click and drag an image to modify the saturation. Click Control to select it here, and now you can select this one, the range, and now you can help us see the selected range in the yellow colors. Okay, now the next step is I will increase the lightness of the this teeth. So select this one. Now you can see is increasing here the brightness of this one, and here we got it. If I show you, so this is the previous one and this is the latest one. Okay, so how easy you can easily make her teeth lightens and your teeth is like more cleaning with the Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so this way you can make it. There's another way, or you can do it by, or before that, I'll just undo this one. And you can do by going to the select and use here the color range. Okay, so this is the same one and it will help you to select the range. And what I will not do, I will make the colors of this one. So it means I'll select the colors of the teeth. You can see in here, and you can also change the fuzziness of this one and it will be for you. And here we have now this one that then what I'm gonna do, you can also use the specific like yellow. When you select the yellow, so it does not come up, but I want to select this simply the colors and I want to use this one. Okay, then hit on the OK and you can now see is selected the range in here and yellow colors. Now go to the here saturation. Now you can play around the lightness of this one and also the saturations in there, increase or decrease on our, and here you have the changes of this one. Okay, so if I gonna change or make it here like the increase, and here now you can see it changes the colors in there, but here you can now see there also it does not change anything. So you can see the selected there. So this is the easiest way. I'll use the alter. Click over here, and now the next step is I will use the brush tools in there. Let me just select the brush tools, click over here, and I will select this area for the brush tools. and I'll select the area. Okay, so I'm here. Then the next step is I will select the layer tools, and from here, let me choose this one as here. Here we have make it. Okay, so here now you can select this one, and you can easily use it. And the selected one and the marks, it can give you the selected marks and this area. Okay, so here we got it, the marks, and you can move it, and here the saturation, you can see here the changes of this one, and here we got it, and the changes here with the saturation, it gives the difference. Okay, so it means it's only give you the selected changes of this one. Like if there is any outside, there are, you do have other yellow colors. Even you can do the other like dresses colors, or you can work with this way by selections, and it can give you this way. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it as the 0, and here I'll make it, and you can see the changes of this one, and this way you can easily make it. So here we have the difference options. So if you do by selecting or using here the saturations, and here by choosing this one, let me select and change here, and it can be help you to work with this one. So before, I'll just use this one, and here, or I'll just use this one, and let me check it, and I can increase the color of the teeth. Okay, so this way you can easily make the colors or highlights your pictures are more appealing, and you can make your teeth so the cleanup and the whitens. Okay, so here you have it. There you have it. A quick and easiest way to retouching teeth in Photoshop. Remember, subtlety is the key to the goal. Is to enhance natural beauty of your subject. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.